you gonna do with your treat? Huh? Well, what you gonna do with your treat? Huh? Well, what are you gonna do with it? Huh? Oh, what you gonna do with your treat? Why don't you eat it? Huh? Gonna bury your treat? Oh, goodness sakes. You poor baby. Tough decisions. There we go. I think. Nope.